$900, and both plans are for 48 months. Whichever you try, get a car that's not only painlessly financed, but modestly priced and abundantly equipped. With anti-lock brakes,
replaceable, specialty seats, and all the unique items that Tuna has. The expert washer supply has the largest selection in the country, and the best prices are being directed in the northern direction on the Hicks Road, actually. Rick Wheeler reporting in Cobb County. Stay safe, Rick. Thanks very much. Another update now from Cobb County. Let's go on the phone to Captain George Brogdon, Cobb Emergency Management. Yes, Captain Brogdon, can you hear me?
Yeah, let me go ahead and ask about that.
Okay, that's Captain Brogdon is swamped right now because of the damage. Are you back with us, Captain?
They're on emergency backup, which is typical.
Yeah.
So they would have power even though the commercial power was disrupted. They have their own internal power.
And we don't have any word on the number of injuries or anything like that?
Not at this time.
Captain Brogdon, thanks for your time. We know you're very busy. Any advice for citizens who are out of power? And
get through the situation. No widespread damage in Lookia Springs as I continue to work my way towards Douglasville, but the power is out and there are emergency crews responding in this area. Reporting live from...
Good evening. Welcome back to...
Gracious alive.
Yeah, the one that was a metal building. I thought it was like a nursery or...
Yeah. Ellen Couch got the roof blew off in a tree.
Fellowship moved it off of the foundation. See it?
Good.
Moved it over.
Moved it back about...
Oh, is my hand that way?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
It is 43-30.
Look at all the destruction.
Kansas is leading the North Carolina Tar Heels at halftime. Kind of surprising. Kansas now. Over Indiana, big time earlier. Arkansas, big comeback second half. 47-35. They were down and came back to beat Arkansas.
You got some buffalo wings?
Closing in on Detroit for that
Mom,
third.
can you imagine what the hell? Somebody in it. Turned upside down.
Somebody in their crowd.
There's our shooting range. Big hole in it.
Well, I don't know about how it happened. One guy said he came out looking for his truck, and all of a sudden you realize that was it up there. I wonder if these trees are
I'm gonna be a cameraman.
I had a great time
so bad.
I really enjoyed playing football, and it was nice to play 18 years. Believe me, that was one of, I think, longevity in anything.
Even all tech.
That lawn you right there,
Disappointing,
tag signs
but
there.
I played with a lot of great players and played with some very fine coaches, and I really enjoyed every year. Every year was an interesting experience, and I think that obviously the fact that we weren't very successful overall was
Oh, we'll go right by there.
disappointing.
Close up. Poor old pistol range.
Well, I got the windows put back in Kathy's restaurant for her.
I mean, that poor little truck is...
Yeah, you bring back some good
got
memories there. I
crushed.
thought one of the big mistakes back around 72, 73, I can't remember the exact season, and we had a nice running game, a pretty good...
Yeah, I think it's...
What did it do? It just got there a little bit of a...
Certainly wasn't going to beat out Tommy Novus, and the general was very erratic. He had that one year where we had that run, but a very erratic.
Tornado cell.
Release sister plane.
Ain't that something?
Now it's Bill Mills missed that shit.
Hey, y'all, this is recording. Don't talk about nobody.
There's glasses all out of those cars.
Well, what do you expect? A tornado came by.
Yeah, they blew the... Oh, there's people.
Everybody's taking pictures.
I know it.
Everybody want to be on camera.
Oh, look, Chad, get that.
They said somebody was still in that RV.
Now that's
Oh,
going to
there's
be dark.
the police sitting in the car.
I know, but... Well, they got to stop people from
That
looting.
RV down, they said that the man could just look. You gonna turn around in the car?
Look at the swing. I
I got it.
Look! Holy cow! Look! Holy cow! ain't it?
Look at that.
Yeah. Look here.
Hey, cop.
Man, I wonder if
Wait,
that was.
Tell him to wave at us.
Wave! Oh, I ain't got him with him. I can't.
Just sit there and wave.
Yeah, there we go. I'm a natural, ain't I?